Okay, I will admit it. Google's new AI image tool, Nano, has absolutely blown my mind. It's kind of crazy, but I'm already making money with it even though I've only been using it for a few weeks because it's just so easy to use. It is game-changing. Basically, I've been making money on Etsy by copying super popular clothing designs for free with Nano and then selling them onto print-on-demand clothes for a profit. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I use Nano to make these t-shirts step by step so that you can copy my workflows and my prompts to make your own t-shirts and designs too. Using AI to copy and resell images. Part 1, and to do that, I'm going to show you 3 examples of how I use it to replicate and sell popular t-shirt styles. So this here is my first example. As you can see, this is a popular t-shirt right now on Etsy. So far, 7 people have bought this t-shirt today, which if you do the math means that since this t-shirt is selling for $26.95, means that it has made over $180. And well, basically it's an example of a homophone joke t-shirt since, well, depending on how you read it, it could sound like something that's a lot more, shall we say, rude. But yes, it isn't just popular on Etsy. No, it's also popular on other marketplaces too, such as Amazon. There is a variation of the t-shirt here that has been sold as a print-on-demand t-shirt. And as you can see, in the past month, it's had over 3,000 sales. Now, the thing about Amazon is that they don't specify exactly how many t-shirts have sold, but we can figure it out roughly based on a range. And by doing that, we can estimate that in the past month, this t-shirt has earned anywhere from $59,000 to over $79,000. Wow. So, yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of money being made here. Homophone t-shirts are trendy right now with customers. And so the way that I make money is anytime I spot an opportunity like this, I then use AI to help me repurpose popular styles into new niches. So for example, I'll come to ChatGPT and ask it to help me come up with other homophone jokes for t-shirts. And apologies in advance for any rude jokes on screen. I know that this is a family-friendly channel. But yes, once I've used ChatGPT to help me brainstorm and come up with a new niche or angle for a popular t-shirt style like this, I'll then use AI to help me come up with and create any pictures that I need for it. And as I said, I have lately been using Nano for this because it is just incredible. Like actually incredible. If you haven't used it before, you could basically think of Google's Nano as an AI version of Photoshop. It will create and edit images for you, and it is extremely accurate at following prompts and references. Accessing it is easy to get it. Just go to Google's AI Studio. This is available for all Google accounts right now, including free accounts. Although, just a quick tip, if you do want to get access to Google's Pro AI account, you can get a 30-day trial for free right now for Gemini, which will get you access to it. So just keep that in mind if you want to use it. But yes, either way, once inside the AI Studio, I just opened a screenshot of an image that I wanted the AI to use as a reference. Then I explained that I wanted Nano to create a new image, but this time of a donkey while using the reference image for the style and facial expression I wanted. And then that was it. It followed my instructions perfectly. It drew a donkey in the same style, and I had the same facial expression. And there's something else that I really like about this tool as well. It's that you can also ask it to now draw new images while maintaining the exact same image you just made. Other AI image editing apps have struggled to do that, but Nano does it perfectly. So this time I asked it to make me a picture of this exact same donkey, but just sitting down. And look again, it followed my instructions perfectly. And so that was pretty much it. I now had my perfect meme image to sell onto a t-shirt. But first, to actually finish my t-shirt design, I needed to combine this image with the joke that I had created with ChatGPT. And to do that, as part of my AI workflow, I personally like to combine Nano with my favorite image editing app, Canva. Although, just a quick note, the pro version of Canva that I personally use is not free. However, Canva does have a free 30-day trial for their pro account. So if you'd like to get access to this free trial, I'll have my affiliate link to it in the description below. But yes, Canva, for those of you that don't know what it is a drag and drop graphic designer. I like it because, firstly, there are lots of fonts and font styles already included in it to pick from. And for this design, the Edmund texture font that they have included was perfect since it has the really cool distressed vintage look, similar to the font used in that viral rooster design. But secondly, I like it because the Pro version of Canva has lots of AI-powered editing tools that are very useful when combined with pictures that Nano Banana makes. So for me, I use two tools. Firstly, I use the image upscaler tool. This increased the resolution of the donkey, making it suitable for printing onto a t-shirt. And then secondly, I use the background remover tool. This removed that white background, making it transparent, so I could then layer the donkey on top of the text. Then I just came and downloaded the image. I set it to be a transparent PNG file and increased the image size to again increase its printing resolution. And check it out. I now had my own version of this popular trendy design to sell in a new niche, which is super cool. But of course, at how I sell AI art onto t-shirts for a profit this point in a video, a lot of viewers, especially new viewers, will ask me, okay, Sarah, but now what? You've created your t-shirt design, but how do you sell it and market it to actually earn money from it? And well, those are good questions. And honestly, probably the easiest way is to just watch my print-on-demand case study videos and tutorials that I have on this channel already. So after you watch this video, if you're curious, I recommend watching those ones straight after. But basically, in a nutshell, what I do is simple. I come to my favorite print-on-demand apps, Printify and Printall. These apps have blank products that you can customize and sell online, like hoodies and t-shirts. So I just pick a product I want to sell and upload my image onto it. And then I list it for sale for a markup price on a free digital marketplace. The most popular ones are Amazon, eBay, or my personal favorite, Etsy. And Printify and Printall have integrations with all of them. And then, well, that's pretty much it. Each time a customer sees my shirt listed on the marketplace, likes it, and then buys it, the print-on-demand app will automatically see the order, the print shop will print the design onto the shirt, package it up, and ship it out to the customer, while I get to keep the difference as profit. Part 2, even more prompts and workflows that I am using with Nano Banana to make t-shirts to sell. So here is my next example design. You see this t-shirt here? This is a very popular style of t-shirt on marketplaces like Etsy and Amazon. And it's interesting, it became viral after one version of it, featuring wolves, and a moon went viral. Basically, people buy it and wear it ironically. It's kind of supposed to be poking fun at those dramatic t-shirts that people wear to events and festivals like Burning Man. And well, as I said, it's a very popular design. So you take this t-shirt here, right? As you can see, this version of it here featuring possums is a consistent seller. It's had over 200 sales in the past month. And if you take a look at the other print-on-demand t-shirts that this seller has listed, you'll see that they've made lots of other versions of the same design in other niches such as sharks and dinosaurs, and even grandmas. Yes, check out this version of the t-shirt they're selling here. It's had over 50 sales this month alone. Plus, as I said, it's also popular on Etsy too. Like, check out this t-shirt. You can see that 2 people have bought this today. Plus, if we check it out using the Etsy research app Allure, you can see that it estimates that in the past year, this t-shirt has made over $41,000 from sales. And if we go to their Etsy storefront, you'll see that many of their top-selling t-shirts are again in this exact same style. Like, they too have a version of this t-shirt featuring hot dogs. And so, I got curious, I popped their store into Allure, and it estimates that in less than 2 years, the store has made over $580,000. Wow. So, yeah, as I said, people clearly like this style of t-shirt, right? There's just one problem with that, and it's this. It's a pretty complex design, isn't it? So in the past, even if you had seen this t-shirt style and thought, I have a cool new idea for it in a different niche, it would have been very hard to make it. But with Nano Banana, it is much, much easier. So to make my own version, I dropped in a reference image and told it that I wanted it to draw a new image, but to maintain the same layout, but tweaked. Instead of raccoons, there should be lions. And I also wanted the stars and moon to be different too. And look, now you have a design that you can go back and forth with Nano Banana on to get it looking exactly as you want. And then you can edit it and turn it into a new t-shirt design. However, I do have a very important tip for you, And that is that at least right now, as of me filming this video, Nano Banana does not get it right all of the time. I tried to make a new version, and look, this time instead of making 3 lions, instead made 2 lions and then drew one of them as a raccoon with just 1 ear. So when this happens, I just keep trying the same prompt until it gets it right. But yes, using AI to copy and resell images. Part 3 onto the next example product. And this one is really cute. It's taking in a banana and using it to turn cool vintage art pieces into modern designs. So you take this t-shirt here, right? It's based on the famous Van Gogh Star Night painting. Well, what they've done is they've remastered it, changed the angle in the painting, and added in a cute black cat. And as you can see, customers love it. This has had over 700 sales in the past month. And it's also a popular style of t-shirt on Etsy as well, especially with modernized Van Gogh style t-shirts, and also t-shirts that take popular historical Japanese art, like the famous Great Wave of Kanagawa print, and modernize them too. So here's how to do this within Nano Banana. First, get a copy of whatever picture that you want to edit. And for historical art like this, it's actually pretty easy because vintage art like this is in the public domain, which means that there's no copyright protection on it. So to get a copy of a picture, I usually like to use Wikipedia. I come to Wikipedia and look up either the artist or, if it's famous enough, the artwork itself. And then on here, you'll usually find a copy of the picture. As you can see, this is in the public domain, so you can download it and use it for commercial purposes for free. Then I come back into the Google AI Studio to open up Nano Banana and then drop in the artwork and any reference images that I want to use. So for this one, I dropped in a reference image I found of a t-shirt that took this art piece, but drew a panda surfing on it. So I figured a cat would be a fun niche to try this design in as well. And it did a great job. So I decided to make one small tweak to it. I asked Nano Banana to change the meow to instead be in Japanese, and it switched out that text for me, no problem. So I downloaded this image. Then next, I created a new chat and uploaded the portion of the image I wanted to print onto the t-shirt and uploaded another reference image, this time showing a t-shirt design that had distressed edges. And I asked it to make the edges distressed like that image. And again, it did an amazing job. So I downloaded that image and popped it into Canva to edit and upscale it and make the gray edges transparent. And just like that, I had a design ready to sell as a t-shirt. And it looks pretty cool, doesn't it? So then, if you'd like to learn about even more ways and tools that people are using to earn money online, including myself, be sure to watch my next video here on screen. And I will see you in the next video.